It's towards the end of our first stay in Positano. We're finally getting out of the apartment. And we're gonna take the stairs all the way down to the beach, to the port area. How many stairs have you counted so far?
30.
30 from our apartment.
Right.
And that was already a few steps from the main road down.
Yeah.
So we're at 30?
Yep.
Okay. It's going to take us forever at this pace because we keep stopping because there's all the little gardens and terraces and beautiful doors of the little apartments. So the people that came, the couple that came to meet us to let us into the Airbnb, I guess they're like the managers. We asked if they live here and they pointed, yes, we live up there somewhere. Are you counting?
I am.
What are we on?
You're on 40.
Just leave me.
South right there. We could be going that way.
Oh. What to do? I wonder. What number are you on?
82.
Ooh, look at that.
I know.
Look at this view. How beautiful is this? What number are you on?
98.
Okay.
Look at that.
Caseta per la lettre. Look at that. I'm into mailboxes now. Actually, I always have noticed them.
Yeah.
Look how beautiful, and the matching gate to their courtyard. That is so pretty. Oh, it's Rosa House. My mom's name.
Wow. That's so cool.
What number are you on?
135.
That's it? I thought we were gonna hit like 1,000 steps, somebody said.
We're not done yet.
What number are you on?
167.
Buonasera.
Prego. Buonasera. 178.
Look how pretty that is.
Isn't that gorgeous?
Beautiful.
Oh, boy.
Maybe on the way back. Thank you.
Now there's this way.
There's an oysters.
There's
Oh.
that way.
That way.
Yeah.
Aren't these buses wrong to go to the
330.
Look at this.
This is gorgeous.
Let's cross. So where do we go? That way or that way?
I think we go that way.
Look, we're still way up. Look how beautiful that is.
It is, isn't it?
What number are we on already?
390.
Have to tell this story right now.
Okay.
We're on step number
586.
So when we were here 2 years ago, we just came here on a day trip from Sorrento. And so we started at the port. And so we climbed up some, went around, not as high as where we're staying now.
No.
But then I, just like 2 or 3 days ago, I said to John, I said, oh, remember that cat in Positano on those stairs in the wooden little thing? And I went back through my pictures to find this beautiful calico cat. So now we're coming down from our apartment on step number 586, and we come around this corner, and I cannot believe what I just saw. It's the same cat.
It's still there.
It hasn't moved.
No.
With a friend
Right.
this time.
Yeah, it's got a new friend.
It's, look at them looking up. What are they looking at?
Gatta, chiama. Gatta.
Look at them.
Gatta.
It's the same cat.
From our apartment, so far we've walked down 680 steps. And we don't think we're quite done yet.
The rest might not be steps.
Maybe not.
The rest might just be slight, because see, this is a slight downhill.
It's a little bit of a slant.
My legs are a little wobbly.
It's a long way.
Look how cute that is.
Oh yeah, that is cute, isn't it?
Well, this is the end of exploring on day one. We went down how many stairs?
693.
Plus a few extras and a lot of downhill that didn't have any actual stairs.
Right.
And then we've come halfway back up the stairs and we found this cute little rooftop bar. And we're gonna say goodbye in a very nice ending to day one in Positano. Cheers.